Right, I want to show you how quick and easy, once you've drilled the hole, I want to show you how quick and easy you can get in to this. So I'm not going to go into too much detail. I want you to see how easy it is, and then when you buy the tool, you'll get a complete instructional video. So as you can see, the door's open at the moment, so let's close that. Close the snib. That's not working. Not working, okay? So that's that one done. So let's put that one on the latch. So now we'll lock the bottom PRA one. Oops. And again. And there you go. That's both locks open in probably under a minute. Yes, you've got to mark out your holes and drill a hole, but you can see once you've drilled your hole how easy and how quick it is to actually